In this video, you'll learn how to use Wecasa for the first time. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully signed up and booked a service through the Wecasa platform. Start by navigating to the Wecasa website or opening the Wecasa app on your device. If you are using a web browser, type in the URL and press enter. On the app, locate the Wecasa icon and tap to open it. Once the page loads or the app opens, you will see the option to sign up. Next, click on the sign up button, which is usually prominently displayed. You will then be prompted to enter your personal information, fill in your name, phone number, email address, and create a secure password. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can connect using your Facebook or Google account by selecting the corresponding button. After entering your details, the next step is to provide your home address. This is important to ensure that the services you request are available in your area. Enter the complete address in the designated field and confirm that it is accurate before proceeding. Once your address is set, you will need to choose a service from the options available. Wecasa offers a variety of services such as massage, hair, beauty treatments, and cleaning. Select the service that you're interested in to move forward. After selecting a service, you will be prompted to choose a professional. You can specify whether you prefer a male or female service provider if that is a requirement for you. Once you have made your selection, you will then pick the duration of the service and any additional options that may be available. Following that, choose the date and time for your appointment. Make sure to select a slot that works for you, as availability may vary. If you have a specific time in mind, check the calendar to confirm that it is open. Next, you will need to add a payment method. Typically, payment is processed after the service is completed, but you may be asked to enter your payment information at this stage. Ensure that you have a valid payment method ready. After entering your payment details, review all the information you have provided for accuracy. Confirm your booking by clicking on the Book Now or Confirm button. Once you complete this step, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your booking is successful. There may take a moment for Wecasa to process your request and send you a confirmation email. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.